Skipping annual air conditioning coil cleaning raises energy costs, shortens equipment life, and increases the risk of system failure. Dirty evaporator and condenser coils reduce heat transfer, forcing the compressor to run longer and work harder, which drives up energy consumption and operating costs. To inspect coils without tools, remove the service panel, look for darkened fins and sticky residue, and smell for mustiness that signals microbial growth. For a basic cleaning at home, power off the unit. Brush loose debris gently with a soft brush. Then use a spray bottle of warm water mixed with a mild dish soap to rinse from the top down, avoiding bent fins and electrical components. If fins are bent, straighten them with a fin comb sized to the coil. For condenser coils outside, clear vegetation back at least 24 inches. Remove accumulated grass and leaves, and spray the coil with a garden hose at low pressure from the inside outward to avoid pushing debris further into the fins. Use a manufacturer-approved coil cleaner for greasy or stubborn deposits and follow the product instructions precisely, wearing gloves and eye protection. If you are unsure about cleaning steps, schedule a technician for a diagnostic and a thorough coil service that includes leak checks and refrigerant level confirmation. The most common mistake is skipping inspections until a problem appears, which leads to degraded performance and higher repair bills. Prevent that by adding a calendar reminder for an annual inspection and light cleaning. Another frequent issue is using high-pressure water or abrasive tools that bend fins and reduce airflow, so always use low-pressure rinsing and a soft brush or a fin comb for straightening. A third concern is ignoring signs of mold and mildew on coils and drain pans, which can cause odors and health issues. Address this by treating affected areas with an antimicrobial coil cleaner or having a professional perform a deep microbial remediation. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners connect with local contractors and find project ideas related to air conditioning maintenance, and we host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors exchange tips and experiences. We make it easy for contractors to find work by listing projects and encouraging direct conversations between professionals and clients.